Hi kids, today I'm going to teach you the lesson number 1, Jock's birthday. Already I had taught this paragraph. So today let me see next paragraph. Okay, I'll teach now. First ones. Why not? Jock, you can. It's your day. Answers his mother. Jock writes the names of Sonu and his sister Geeta in the list. In the evening, Jock's mother invites all her friends on phone. She also makes arrangements for the next day. It is Sunday morning. Jock wakes up with a smile. His mother and father enter the room and give him a big hug and say, "Happy birthday, son. Look what we have for you." They are carrying a puppy. That is his birthday present. Jock is very happy. He thanks his parents and names the puppy Pepsi. Jock has breakfast. Jock's mother gives some milk to Pepsi in its separate bowl. Then Jock takes Pepsi for a walk. Jock and Pepsi play in the neighborhood park. Jock introduces Pepsi to his friends. His friends also play with Pepsi. Pepsi is very happy to find so many friends. In the evening, Jock wears the party dress that his mother has brought him for this special occasion. He looks like a prince. Enough? This much. Want to teach again? You also repeat same way. Why? Because otherwise you don't know to pronounce many of them. So that's why I'm teaching you. Why not? Jock, you can. It's your day. Answers his mother. Jock writes the names of Sonu and his sister Geeta in the list. In the evening, Jock's mother invites all her friends on phone. She also makes arrangements for the next day. It is Sunday morning. Jock wakes up with a smile. His mother and father enter the room and give him a big hug and say, "Happy birthday, son. Look what we have for you." They are carrying a puppy. That is his birthday present. Jock is very happy. He thanks his parents and names the puppy Pepsi. Jock has breakfast. Jock's mother gives some milk to Pepsi in its separate bowl. Then Jock takes Pepsi for a walk. Jock and Pepsi play in the neighborhood park. Jock introduces Pepsi to his friends. His friends also play with Pepsi. Pepsi is very happy to find so many friends. In the evening, Jock wears the party dress that his mother has brought him for the special occasion. He looks like a prince. Okay, enough this much. See, last class what happened? Jock's birthday. So before the 2 days, he always asking to her mother what day is tomorrow, what day. So when is birthday? So he was very excitement. We know that. So why he was so excitement? Because of Sunday is his birthday. So on the Saturday morning only he makes the list to invite to whom. Even he joined one of the name, whose name Sonu. Who is he? Gopi Dada's son. And who is the Gopi Dada? is the gardener of his house. So, what happened now? Why not? Jock, you can. It's your day. So, he asked to the permission to his mother. Is it right? Can I join Sonu's name like? So, mother said, why not, Jock? It's your day. Tomorrow is your day. To whom you want to invite, you can go like. Jock writes the names of Sonu and his sister, even Geeta also. Sonu and Geeta, both names he joined in his list. To whom names he written in the list? Sonu and Geeta. They are the who? Gopi Dada's children. In the evening, Jock's mother invites all our friends on phone. She also makes arrangements for the next day. Even Jock's mother, she did call to the all his friends and cousins to inviting his birthday. Without invitation, will you go to the other's birthday? No, right? So that's why when we want to celebrate any festival or any occasion, when we are called to the others, they will come. Otherwise, they won't come, right? So when you want to celebrate any occasion, before we must make the plan to whom we are invite, what arrangements we want to do, which food want to prepare. That all we will plan it, right? Even when you are celebrating your birthday, your parents all make plan. So how you are celebrating your birthday? Maybe there's a cake or without cake, with the chocolates, or inviting your grandparents or aunt, uncle, or friends. That all you will make plan. So same way they also making arrangements for the next day. Who is Jock's mother? She is makes the arrangements. What are the arrangements? Tomorrow they are all come. Want to prepare food. Which food want to prepare? Then what gift want to give the Jocks and his friends, that plan. Again, how can decorate the house, that plan. So these things all can making arrangement. Who? Jock's mother. So again next day start. It is Sunday morning. So Sunday it came. He is waiting from 2 days, no? Jock wakes up with a smile. He wakes up in the morning with a smile. So everybody, when we are wake up morning, always, not only on birthday, always every day we have to wake up with a smile, with a good hope. Today will going to be a better day. Like we have to keep a thought in our mind to give always smile to the others. Others means your family members, when your father, mother, or your brothers, sisters, you should tell them as a good morning. When we are telling to the good morning to them, our mind will always asking the good things. Is it right? So this is one of the good habit. I hope you are all join this habit in your life. So every day morning when you get up, you can inform to your parents or your friends or your brothers, sisters, cousins, those who are in your home. You should wish them good morning auntie, good morning uncle, good morning father, good morning mama. Like you should wish them. So he is smiling and he wished to the his parents, even his mother and father. They entered to the room and they gave a big hug. Hug means, so put your arms around someone and hold person tightly to show that you love him or her. So hug means how the kid will hug to their mother, right? Like same way, those who are loving to them, they are giving hug. Okay, your parents are loving to you, right? You also loving to your parents and your brothers, sisters. You can give a hug also. So they gave hug and even they wished him what? But happy birthday, my son, like, and they are giving one of the present. That means a gift. What is that gift? What is that gift? That is a puppy. He didn't expect that. What is that? Puppy. Jock is very happy. Even you also will very happy, no? When you get birthday's gift, are you happy or not? You will be happy. So like even he also very happy. He thanks his parents and he kept one of the name to that puppy. What is that? Pepsi. What is the name of the puppy? Pepsi. Do you know? Nice name, right? Do you have any puppies at home? What is the name of puppy? You can remember. Jock has breakfast, so he was very happy. So after getting ready, he makes he has breakfast. Even Jock's mother gives some milk to the Pepsi. Even Pepsi is one of the family member to their family. Okay, so in a separate bowl, Pepsi for Jock's mother gives the milk. Then Jock takes Pepsi for a walk. Jock and Pepsi play in the neighborhood park. So they are going outside for the playing where in the park. Then Jock introduces Pepsi to his friends. Jock is introducing. That means when you are going to the outside for the playing, if you have any new things, you will inform to your friends, right? Like same way, he also introduce his Pepsi to all his friends. Even they also, even Jock also, they both play with the Pepsi. Pepsi is very happy to find many friends. So Pepsi also, it was happy. Why? Because it also now getting many friends. In the evening, Jock wears the party dress. So in the night, the birthday party is going to begin. So that's why in the evening he wears the new dress, one of the new dress. So which are that? Party dress. Who brought the dress? His mother brought for him. Why? Because why? It is special occasion. What is special occasion? His birthday, right? So that's why. So when he wear the dress, he looks like a prince. Prince means ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ king. So he is the prince. He is looking like prince. Okay, I hope you learn this lesson, understand this lesson. So I'll stop. Enough up to here. See, I underline some words in this lesson, right? So what you want to do? You want to write. You want to write. And what you want to do again? Only writing? No. You have to learn the spellings also. Why? Because many of them you forgot to reading. Forgot to learn the spellings. Spellings are very very important while you are writing. So that's why you have to learn the spellings. Answers. Look at, I'll teach answers. Sister, evening, mother, arrangements, morning, happy, carrying, puppy, present, Pepsi, breakfast, neighborhood, introduces, bought, party dress, special, occasion, prince. These words you can learn the spellings and write once. Okay, bye kids. I'll continue the next part in the next class.